Kia ora e hoa. Hey, you know breakfast is the most important meal of the day, right? Well, a hearty bowl of porridge can be a great start to the day. So can oaty breakfast cookies, especially if you're on the run. Now for these you need a cup of dates, chopped up, and 1/3 cup of boiling water. Pour the water over the dates and leave them to soak up all that water, about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're nice and soft, use a fork or a potato masher to mix them into a puree. Then add 1 egg or egg substitute, a tablespoon of honey, and 3 tablespoons of oil or butter. Give it a good mix. Then add 1/2 cup of shredded or desiccated coconut, 3/4 cup of almond meal, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 cup of chopped dried fruit, and 1/2 cup of chopped nuts. Next you need your rolled oats. Now Haraway's rolled oats has 2 brand new options. They're full of fruit and full of flavour, perfect for these cookies, and great just as a bowl of porridge too. Tip 1.5 cups of Haraway's rolled oats into the mixture and give it a good stir. Well, for this batch I chose blackcurrant spiced apple oats. These have iron and zinc for immunity and just what we need at this time of the year as we change seasons. Now, you can make around 18 small cookies or 12 large ones by placing balls of the mixture onto a lined baking tray. Cook them at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes or until golden brown, and then leave them to cool. Now these cookies don't crunch, they are soft, but they are a great breakfast option, especially when you're on the run. They make a great study snack throughout the day too. Enjoy.